This is a tutorial video on how to pair your Aeon Labs door and window sensor to your ROS 3001. For this demonstration, we have a ROS 3001, an Aeon Labs controller, and an Aeon Labs door and window sensor, as well as an iPad Air running the 8.3 version of the ROS Companion app, which can be found on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Please note that if you've paired this device in the past and want to unpair it, refer to the unpair video. So to begin, I want to establish that this device has not previously been paired to the system. So from the ROS Companion app, I'm going to bring down the drop-down menu. I'm going to click on ROS Home, and I'm going to click on Devices. You'll notice the only thing paired to this device right now is the controller as it's inserted into the ROS 3001. To begin pairing, I'm going to open the door and window sensor. I'm going to do so by pressing this button right here and pulling down. That way, now the device is open. I'm going to remove the Aeon Labs controller from the system, and I'm going to press the button one time. It's going to start flashing slowly. When it flashes slowly, it means it's in pair mode. On the top of the door and window sensor, there's a button that says Z-Wave. If I go ahead and press that button one time, my controller is going to flash 3 times rapidly just like that. That means the device is now paired. I'm going to take the controller, insert it back into the ROS 3001, and wait a minute for it to actually configure. You'll notice nothing is here right now because I removed the controller. Once I put it back in, it's going to take about a minute to establish. Actually quicker than a minute, as you can see. So right now we have a controller on the system, and we have a door and window sensor. To change the name of the door and window sensor, I'm just going to click on the icon here. It's going to bring a little sidebar that's open, a little sidebar here. I'm going to go to name, where it says device 6, there's an arrow next to it. If you click on that arrow, it's going to bring one more window right here. It says device 6. If you click on this X next to device 6, it's going to remove the name. Alternatively, you can hit backspace on your keyboard till it's gone. I'm going to rename this front window because this is for my front door, so front window. Then I'm going to hit the back button. It is now, the name is now changed and the device is operational and ready to go. You'll notice that after you click the Z-Wave button, there's nothing else you have to do. It's all configured in the background without any worry for the user. Very simple and easy to use.